Nestled on the sun-kissed hills of San Antonio de Portmany, where the whispering pine trees meet the golden Ibizan light, lies a hidden retreat, a place where time slows and moments linger. Welcome to Villa Can Vinyes, a tranquil haven offered exclusively by Green and Blue Villas. From the very first glimpse, you'll feel it, the calm, the quiet, the embrace of nature. Villa Can Vinyes sits in a privileged, peaceful enclave, just minutes from the vibrant energy of Ibiza's west coast, yet a world away from the noise. Here, luxury isn't loud. It's in the soft sway of olive branches in the breeze, the warm touch of stone underfoot, and the gentle rhythm of life lived slowly. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a curated blend of traditional charm and contemporary design. 3 spacious bedrooms, each thoughtfully appointed with plush linens and calming tones, promise restful nights and lazy mornings. 2 sleek, modern bathrooms echo the villa's clean, understated elegance, every detail considered, every corner inviting. But the true soul of Villa Can Vinyes lies outdoors. An expansive terrace stretches before you, framed by Mediterranean greenery and open skies. Whether it's long, leisurely breakfasts under the pergola or golden hour dinners shared over clinking glasses, this is where memories are made. Swim under the sun, dine under the stars, laugh, connect, unwind. This is a place for togetherness, for families, friends, lovers of peace and privacy, a sanctuary from the everyday, where every moment feels intimate, yet the island's treasures remain just a short drive away. From the legendary sunsets of Cala Comte to the quaint streets of St. Raphael, everything you love about Ibiza is within easy reach. With Green and Blue Villas, your Ibiza getaway is more than just a holiday. It's a seamless, personal experience curated with care. From the moment you book to the day you leave, we're here to make every detail effortless.